Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert two columns in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Google Docs app and go to your file text and select the text. Then go to the format menu, and here you can see here are column option. Now go to the column option, and here you can see here are one column, two column or three column. Now go to the more option. Now we can see here are number of column. Now click number of column drop down menu and select 2. You can see here are 0.5 inches or spacing. Then click line between column and click apply. Now here we can see insert two column in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.